And another Cali Cartel rebuild has arrived. Another Cali Cartel rebuilds cars here. This one came in today. The driver ripped the bumper off of it. A 2005 350z flood title. We bought it for parts, but it tries to fire over, and it's parts for that one there. And then that Lincoln up there, we bought this one for parts. And this one here really doesn't have that bad of damage on it. Runs, drives good. Needs a hood, which we have a hood on the other one. Needs a headlight, which we have a headlight on the other one. Needs a piece of the grill. And that's pretty much it. Little lower section down there. Looks like it popped back in. Clean car. 165,728 miles. And that's our police interceptor, Dodge Ram, Jimmy. And that back there's a Ram Charger, M880 military truck. And that one right there, we're just waiting for the paint to come in, and we have all the parts ready to go on it. And then that one's ready. So we got a few projects going on here. Hopefully this one here will be done pretty soon. Hard to see for all the mess. Kind of tried to clear out the garage to get some room, but bumper is primed, header panel's primed for it. And that should be it for right now. And we'll be getting back with some videos on these builds. Originally we thought that 350 might be savable, might still be savable, but when we're trying to start it, it's not firing over at all. It looks like it has new coil packs on it, but I mean, it's firing over. It doesn't have water in the engine, and it doesn't have water in the air filters, so that's not that bad. Had a stereo in it. See what else that has on there. That little 10-inch speaker back there. Pretty dirty. Seats are trashed. Look right there too. Little stereo. It had an amp in the back. Little hatch cover. MTX audio. Somebody like Red Bull. But yeah, this one, at least for right now, is a parts car. And at least from the seats and everything, looks to be like the lowest model you can get, automatic. But it's pretty clean. Let's see here. Somebody's idea of paint job, they turn around and rhino line the hood. Pretty clean engine. Nice said, it looks like it has new coil packs in there. Of course, it has stereo equipment. But yeah, we need basically the front core support out of here, headlights out of here, airbox, and I have a kit, Austin Martin kit for the front and rear bumper for this. We'll have to order some paint for it. Both tires on the front are trashed. Have to get a new set of tires. This one here, surprisingly, has pretty decent tires. Look, they're pretty new. This one here was on a flat, but aired right up. But yeah, that's it for right now. And we'll see if we can pull up another video soon and see what we can do with this one right here. That's that one there and that one there. That's my main focus, and my son's is that one back in the back, the Grand Marquis, and the police interceptor. Police interceptor has a full tank of varnish. But yeah, we'll get back and see what we can do with these. And you guys like what you see, hit like and subscribe, and we'll be doing some more with these. Talk to you later.